Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up a Dodge Ram 1500. First, ensure your truck is parked on a completely level and firm surface to prevent any rolling. Always engage the parking brake and place wheel chocks behind the rear wheels for added security. Before you begin, gather all your necessary tools, including a sturdy hydraulic jack and at least 2 reliable jack stands. To lift the front of your Ram 1500, locate the robust front crossmember, which is a strong structural component. Carefully position your hydraulic jack directly under the center of this crossmember, ensuring it's stable. Begin to slowly raise the truck, watching carefully as the front tires lift completely off the ground. This ensures enough clearance for your work.
Quick recommendation: after a long day working on your truck, you'll be hungry. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your snacks and meals fresh, whether you're on the go or just finished a big project. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. You can find the link for these containers and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once the front is lifted, it's crucial to secure the vehicle. Place your jack stands under the sturdy frame rails, just behind the front wheels. Make sure they are fully extended and locked into their proper height. Then, slowly lower the truck using the hydraulic jack until its weight rests firmly and safely on both jack stands. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. For the rear, use the differential housing as your central jack point. Lift the truck until the rear tires are off the ground. Then, place your jack stands under the sturdy rear frame rails, ensuring they are secure. Once your work is complete, slowly raise the truck slightly with the jack, remove the stands, and gently lower the vehicle completely to the ground.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.